Ladies and gentlemen, as I have said in my previous video, that I realize that Indians are spread all over the world. Persons of Indian origins are also spread all over the world. Some of them are absolutely have no connections with India, practically no connections. But still I believe the 70% people either have connections in a way, they have got the property, they have got their parents, they have got their cousins, they have got lot of legal things, legal matters where they require the legal support. I feel first of all I would like to mention that the property matters are the most important matters, because suppose for instance I take an example that you are having some property in Chandigarh or Punjab or Haryana or Himachal, wherever it is. Now one of your relative says that this property doesn't belong to you, he comes for living and then doesn't vacate your house. Now how will you deal this matter? Suppose your cousin says you have got no share, I will not give you. Your brother says no, you do whatever you want, I will not give it to you. Then what is the way, legal way? First you would like to have a legal advice, then what is the way? These kind of problems are in abundance. Secondly, there are mutation problems also, that your parents were were in India, unfortunately time, nobody can help the time, they are no more. Now that property is to be succeeded by you, they have got a locker also. Now how will you succeed that property and locker? Because I dealt such these kind of matters where the two ladies came to me, their parents who were very well off and they had the property in Greater Kailash, their parents died, and then when their parents died they have to succeed the bungalow which was in Greater Kailash GK Part 2. Now how will they succeed? They couldn't do it. I realized then you have to go and have a death certificate, then you go to the municipal corporation, then you name entered in the inspector will come and inspect your property. After inspecting your property, he gives his report, and then after giving his report, the property will be mutated on you. This is one of the procedure I am telling you, but it is not easy for a person who is living in US to do all these formalities. Even a small thing that the inspector is not available, so you can't even have the death certificate. This has actually happened with those ladies. This is not my job. At my level, Supreme Court level, we don't do it. But as an NRI supporter and as a president Bharatiya Foundation, I have my lawyers, because I have got team of lawyers who are working and dedicated to this job. They do it for you. So this is otherwise this is small matter for us. For you it is a big matter, because either the office is closed or the inspector is not available. These kind of problems come over. So death certificate, then the inspector is not available, he comes for an hour, then he will inspect your property and then mutation is done. Similarly, you go to a Citibank, this has happened. They went to the Citibank, they said because there is no name, neither your father is there nor your mother is there, and they have not nominated you, your name is not there, therefore you have to succeed from the court. So now you have to file a succession certificate in the court to obtain succession certificate, then only you can own the locker. So there are a lot of these kind of mutation, succession, inheritance. How will you inherit the property? How your father who is living with you in America and you want to give his property, America or US or abroad, he want to give his property to you, he has to will it. What is the procedure? What are the witnesses? How you should write will? These all kind of mutation, succession, inheritance, partition suit, and matrimonial matters, adoption matters, divorce matters, anti-dowry matters, these all matters, and even investment. Suppose you have got lot, let us forget about the the problems. Let us think you have got enough money and you want to make an alternative house in India. You don't know from which property buyer you should buy. Who is the good builder? We are the local people, and then we are lawyers of repute. Then we are our link, and we are knowing everybody. Then we can help you in buying a property also. First, you require information which property seller means the builder is good. What is general reputation? What is his bank record? What his projects are the good projects? Whether the property will fetch you the good money or not. So we can help you even in suggesting the good property depending on his general reputation, projects, etc. And then comes how to agreement to sell, how to agreement to buy, and then giving an advance, then TDS, then tax matters, so many problems will come. So, we will help you in all these kind of legal problems. We will give you complimentary legal advice and then concessional actual legal services. This will also do one thing, because you are a member, then we will get the power. That means you will unite, and we can, wherever we go and represent, we are representing lakhs of NRI. This will enhance my power. This is one of my main objects also, to unity and representation. I believe, I understand, you understand the power of unity and power of representation. I believe, for God's sake, believe me, I am a good orator. I can represent you well, and you will be very, very powerful. Even when you come to India, you have any problems, because of your power, because of my position, my stature, and then also you are my members, then thousands of members, because I am talking to the big associations also. I have done lot of work for the Gurdwara committees, Gurdwara temples, and they will also be members. Their members will be my members. So, this will be a great power, and this everything starts from a drop only, but then the drop by drop the pitcher is filled. So, believe me, this can be a big project, this can be a big power which will be beneficial to you, which will make me also powerful for doing services, actual legal services, and support to you in an hour of need. Thank you very much.